will show you our
Yana.
little chicks. Yeah, again, the
Yana.
house. Part 2, the house.
Yana.
We changed the house a little bit. We will show you, and there's lot of poop.
Yana pa isa.
Actually, don't grab it.
Yana.
We will show you.
Oh, hindi. Pa isa.
It's kind of dark. This is the food, the water. This is where they eat it. And this is the water. And there's also a wall inside. Like this dark. There's poop there. Then and there's the bed. Give me a plastic. This is their bed. The yellow one's there. There's a wall. There's the area where they. You want to say their names? I'm gonna pick them up to get later. Remember the name. Put it there. This is Yaji. Yaji. No, yes. Wait. Can you get that? Oh yeah, this is Sabi. This is Sophia. Okay, guys. Putting it up. So guys, that's our pet chick. Part 2. So hit the like button and subscribe and hit the bell. And I see you for more videos. Bye bye.